Hi, I'm Nancy Graham from Nurture and Growth Counseling.
And I'm Jackie Broadus from Hopeful Journey Counseling and Consultation. And together we lead the Tap to Adapt Wellness Workshops.
We're both counselors licensed in the state of Florida. We have been in our own private practice, and we've been colleagues and friends for years. We each provide therapy services to people who are experiencing depression, anxiety, have been through trauma, or trying to navigate difficult life transitions. We're both certified in evidence-based strategies like EMDR, and we love to use our clinical skills to help people heal and have hope.
If you are interested or would like more information, visit our website at
www.taptoadapt.com.